They don't take supplements, they don't count calories, and most have never stepped foot in a gym. Yet somehow, the Amish are living longer, staying stronger, and aging better than most modern Americans. So what's their secret? It's not magic. It's food. Real food. Forgotten food. Today, we're revealing 30 simple, cheap ingredients the Amish rely on to fight aging, boost energy, and stay out of the doctor's office well into their 90s. Some of these are growing in your backyard. Others you've walked past in the grocery store 100 times. But after this video, you'll never see food or aging the same way again. Pawpaws, often called America's forgotten fruit, are native to the eastern U.S. and surprisingly common in Amish orchards. Their creamy, tropical-tasting flesh is packed with nutrients rarely found in temperate fruits, including magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants that support cellular health and regulate blood pressure. Uniquely, pawpaws provide more protein than most fruits, making them a valuable energy source for labor-intensive lifestyles. Amish growers use ingenious pollination methods, like hanging bits of raw meat in trees to attract native flies, because pawpaw flowers evolved before honeybees existed. Stories circulate about elders living past 100 who attribute their longevity to eating pawpaws each fall. The fruit is harvested from wild patches behind barns and consumed fresh or turned into puddings and preserves. Their rarity and nutritional profile make them a hidden gem of Amish longevity. Black currants, once banned in much of the U.S. due to agricultural concerns, were quietly preserved by Amish communities in isolated gardens. Today, they are recognized for their high vitamin K content, which supports bone density, and their potent antioxidant profile. Amish growers use pruning and companion planting with aromatic herbs to increase airflow and deter pests naturally. Currants are harvested during a narrow window when the berries reach translucency, but remain firm, ensuring peak nutrition. Used in syrups, jams, and even medicinal teas, they're known in Amish circles to keep elders standing straight as fence posts well into old age. This resilience is attributed to the bone-strengthening effects of regular currant consumption. Their survival is a testament to the Amish commitment to preserving both biodiversity and health knowledge. Beets are central to Amish gardening, especially appreciated for their impact on cardiovascular health. High in natural nitrates, beets help improve blood flow, regulate blood pressure, and boost endurance, all critical for longevity. The Amish cultivate beets in deep, loose soil using the double digging method, allowing roots to expand freely. Companion planting with carrots and onions helps deter pests and maximizes yield. Their earthy flavor and natural sweetness make them a favorite for pickling, roasting, or juicing. Stored easily through winter, beets offer consistent nutrition when other crops are scarce. Elders enjoy them for their stamina-boosting properties, often joking that beets are nature's way of making sure you're paying attention, especially when their pigment shows up in the bathroom. Their cultivation emphasizes soil health, disease resistance, and nutrient retention over appearance. Elderberries are small, dark purple fruits, bursting with medicinal value and revered in Amish culture for their immune-boosting powers. Containing more vitamin C than oranges and surpassing blueberries in antioxidant content, elderberries are used to combat colds, flu, and inflammation. Amish growers follow the tradition of planting the first bush facing the sunrise, believing morning light enhances their potency, something now backed by science. Harvesting is timed by observing bird activity, ensuring berries are picked at peak ripeness. These berries are turned into syrups, tinctures, teas, and preserves, often replacing pharmaceuticals in Amish households. With compounds that modulate immune response and reduce inflammation, elderberries help elders remain resilient during winter. The Amish view elderberry not just as food, but as part of a holistic health system passed down through generations. Amaranth, once a staple of Native American diets, has been adopted by some progressive Amish farmers due to its impressive nutritional benefits and adaptability. This tall, vibrant plant is drought-resistant and thrives in poor soil, offering complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, unusual among plant foods. It's rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, and fiber, supporting bone strength, muscle function, and digestion. Amaranth seeds are tiny but nutrient-dense, used in porridge, baking, or ground into flour. Amish growers manage its spread carefully, as the plant can be invasive if not harvested properly. The plant's bright purple and red plumes often lead to it being mistaken for an ornamental flower, with elders joking that it looks like it should be in a wedding bouquet but works harder than your best farmhand. Its inclusion in the diet marks a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern nutritional science. Elderflowers, the delicate white blossoms of the elderberry plant, are gathered in late spring and cherished for their gentle medicinal properties. While the berries are potent immune boosters, the flowers are used for reducing fevers, easing allergy symptoms, and supporting respiratory health. Amish healers harvest only a portion of each bush's flowers to ensure future berry production, practicing sustainable herbalism that respects the balance between harvest and regeneration. The flowers are dried slowly to preserve volatile oils like quercetin, a natural antihistamine. Teas, tinctures, and syrups made from elderflowers are first-line treatments for colds, especially among children and the elderly. They're harvested at a precise time, after the morning dew evaporates, but before the afternoon sun dissipates their potency. As elders often say, elderflowers work so quietly you barely notice, like a good neighbor who helps you before you even ask. Purple cabbage is a winter staple in Amish diets, valued for both its bold color and exceptional nutrient density. Unlike green cabbage, its deep pigmentation signals high anthocyanin content, powerful antioxidants linked to anti-aging benefits and reduced inflammation. This variety also contains up to 7 times more vitamin C. Amish farmers enhance cabbage quality by planting in soil amended with composted oak leaves to boost acidity and nutrient uptake. Crop rotation is rigorously practiced to avoid soil depletion and pests, all without chemical inputs. Harvest occurs when outer leaves begin to loosen, ensuring optimal nutrient concentration. Stored in cool root cellars, purple cabbage provides vital winter nutrition, especially when fresh greens are unavailable. Amish elders often describe eating purple cabbage as packing summer sunshine into your body during the long, cold months. Aronia berries, often referred to as chokeberries, are native to North America and known for their astringent flavor and superior health benefits. Rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, they outperform even blueberries in nutritional potency, particularly in supporting cardiovascular health and reducing inflammation. Amish growers often plant them alongside comfrey, a deep-rooting plant that brings up minerals from subsoil layers to enrich the Aronia bushes naturally. Though tart to the taste, many elders consume them daily and credit them for their strength and vigor well into their 90s. These berries are harvested when slightly soft but still firm, indicating peak nutritional value. Aronia is dried, juiced, or turned into tinctures, offering year-round benefits. Their cultivation reflects the Amish approach to maximizing nature's gifts while minimizing reliance on store-bought supplements. Flax is a dual-purpose crop in Amish communities, valued both for its nutritious seeds and strong fiber. The seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and maintaining cardiovascular health. Flax also contains lignans, plant compounds that support hormonal balance and offer antioxidant properties. Amish farmers harvest flax using traditional timing techniques that maximize omega-3 content, often pressing oils at low temperatures to avoid nutrient degradation. The fiber from flax stems is used for practical household items, showcasing the community's no-waste philosophy. Digestively, flax promotes regularity and gut health, earning it a spot in morning porridge and breads. Amish elders often say that adding flax to breakfast gets your insides running smoother than a greased buggy wheel, reinforcing its reputation as a gentle, daily health booster in their longevity diet. Kale and collard greens are prized for their resilience and improved flavor after frost exposure. When temperatures dip, starches in the leaves convert to sugars, creating a sweeter, more palatable taste. These greens are nutritional powerhouses, offering high levels of calcium, iron, and vitamins A, C, and K, key nutrients for bone strength and immune support. Amish growers plant them near south-facing walls to harness passive solar heat and wind protection, extending the growing season. They employ succession planting to ensure a continuous supply and selectively save seeds from the hardiest plants to maintain cold resistance. Kale and collards are often steamed or cooked with vinegar to maximize nutrient absorption. Community elders say that kale gets sweeter with age, just like the people who eat it, though they acknowledge that, like people, some plants stay bitter no matter what. Despite its name, buckwheat isn't related to wheat and is naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for people with grain sensitivities. It's a quick-growing crop that fits easily into rotations between primary plantings and is known for its ability to suppress weeds and prevent soil erosion. Amish farmers favor buckwheat for both its role in land stewardship and its nutritional density. The triangular seeds are high in rutin, a compound known to strengthen blood vessels and support circulation. These benefits are especially valuable for aging individuals with heart or vascular concerns. The crop's delicate white flowers also attract pollinators, increasing yields in nearby fruit orchards. Amish elders enjoy hearty buckwheat pancakes, saying they stick with you longer than store cereal. Buckwheat's versatility extends from porridge to flour, all while improving soil quality for the next planting season. A clear example of sustainability in action. Spelt is one of the most ancient grains cultivated by the Amish and holds a sacred place in their agricultural traditions. This biblical-era grain offers a higher quality protein profile than modern wheat, with more complete amino acids and better digestibility, especially important for aging bodies. Amish farmers prefer Spelt for its ability to thrive without chemical fertilizers or pesticides, often rotating it with soil-enriching cover crops. Hand harvesting preserves the structural integrity of the kernels, allowing for local seed selection that's tailored to specific microclimates. Spelt is typically stone ground at cool temperatures to retain essential oils and enzymes, resulting in a flour that's both nutritious and easier on the digestive system. Elders claim eating spelt bread contributes to steady energy and fewer digestive complaints. As a humorous note, it's said grinding spelt by hand builds more character than a gym membership, and it shows in the forearms of Amish bakers.